travel vlog. Today we are flying to Sapporo, Japan. Finally, nakapag-book na rin kami ng Sapporo flight because we have been planning to go to Sapporo for 2 years already and for some reason, hindi kami matuloy-tuloy. So just a quick story, back in 2024, nung Christmas break, supposedly magsasapporo kami, but Nabi requested that we spend Christmas in Melbourne first. So we went to Melbourne that year. And then February of 2025, nagkaroon naman ng conflict sa schedule ni Mateo sa school. So hindi rin kami natuloy. And then last Christmas, December of 2025, prioritize naman namin yung cruise with the entire family. Kasi nga, yung consideration namin, hanggat kaya ng seniors, ipapasyal muna namin sila. So, hindi rin kami natuloy mag-Sapporo. And then last February, si Vito naman ang nagkaroon ng conflict sa schedule with the school. So, hindi rin kami natuloy. And finally, ngayon, nakapag-book na kami and hopefully, makarating na talaga kami ng Sapporo, Japan. It's not the most ideal trip because we just booked last February and it's Holy Week now. So, alam nyo naman, yung presyo ng flight medyo expensive na siya. Pero tinuloy na rin namin siya kasi nga wala na kaming mahanap na schedule na pwede kaming mamasyal with the boys. We are flying with ANA today. This is also our first time trying ANA. By the way, it's March 31 today. Our flight is at 9:15 a.m. So we'll also share with you kung kamusta yung magiging experience namin with All Nippon Airways. So pupunta na muna kami sa airport. We'll see you later! Hello, we're already out of the immigration. Ayan na siya sa likod ko. Time check, it's 7:05. Dumating kami dito sa airport ng 6:10 a.m. Pumila lang kami ng konti sa ANA. Medyo maraming nag-check-in. Pero sa immigration and sa security, surprisingly, walang tao for a Holy Week. As in, dire-diretso. Parang isang family lang yung inantay namin sa pila in front of us sa immigration and then kami na. So now we are going to check if we can go to the lounge kasi wala pa kaming tulog lahat. So titingnan namin yung access ng lounge with priority pass upstairs. Time for boarding. We already left a lounge. Okay naman siya if you have free access. Pero if you have to pay for your access, medyo hindi siya sulit. Mas marami kayong makakain dun sa presyo niya dito sa labas. Kasi very simple lang yung food options niya. Yung advantage lang niya, yung mga boys kahit pa paano nakapag-relax naman ng konti. Yun lang yung advantage niya. Anyway, we're going to our gate. I'll just show you how empty the airport is considering it's Holy Week this week. It's Holy Tuesday today, March 31. Yeah, pero puno yung flight namin, yes. Hello! We're already here in Tokyo. We have landed and we're already out of the international airport actually. Dito kami nag-immigration and we have to get our luggage as well. And then we have to do bag drop here sa ANA Domestic Connections. So, dito muna kami. Inaayos lang namin yung mga tickets, yung mga boarding pass namin kasi na-issue na siya sa amin kanina sa Manila. So, pupunta na kami dito for our connecting flight. Okay. Just the boarding pass?
Yeah, just the boarding pass.
Okay.
How many passengers? 4.
Ayan, we're dropping off our baggage already. Ayan na. Uy, kuya, your baggage. Maiwan. Give it to the... Maiwan
There's
niya.
the other one.
Dito na kami. We will go to domestic departure. Sa loob na tayo mag-aantay. We have 3 hours of wait time pa. We're going up. This is the way to the domestic departures. It's our first time to transfer ng domestic dito sa Japan. So hindi rin namin alam kung paano yung procedure. Dumaan na kami sa security dito sa domestic area. Medyo mahaba lang yung pila sa security. Pero pagbaba, ito na pala yung domestic terminal. That's our gate, actually gate E, pero 5 p.m. pa yung flight namin. And ito lang din yung shops nila dito.
Terminal 4.
That's it. Yan lang. Time check, it's 3 p.m. pa lang. So we have 2 hours pa before our flight to Sapporo. Ayan. So dito muna kami mag-aantay. Ayan. Dahil hindi kumain yung mga boys sa flight, kinukuha na nila yung mga snacks nila sa sa mini stop pala. Sa mini stop kanina. Ay, ayan. So, we are already here again at the domestic terminal. Meron lang ako ikakwento sa inyo. Actually, ayoko siyang sabihin kanina. Ayoko siyang ikwento kasi baka ma-jinx yung travel namin. Kasi every time na lang iniisip namin na magsasaporo kami, nauudlot siya. So, baka ma-jinx na naman yung travel namin. I was actually worried with our flight now because if you can see, ayan yung visa ni Mateo. Nabasa yung passport niya before. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, ayan, yung passport niya, lukot-lukot. We were already able to secure a new passport for him. Pero yung visa niya, hindi kami kumuha ng bago. Kasi, well, si George, sinasabi niya, readable pa naman lahat ng details. So, feeling niya, pwede naman. Ako yung, syempre, yung overthinker, kinakabahan ako. We actually sent an email to Japan Embassy. Unfortunately, hindi rin sila sumagot sa amin kung valid pa yung visa niya. So, we just really took the risk and used his current visa. And since we're already here in Tokyo, ayan, gumana naman, nakalusot naman yung visa niya, so we're already here. I guess kahit nabasa yung visa, okay lang, basta readable naman lahat ng data, wala namang smudge, wala namang damage or anything. So, that's good. So, sa mga nag-worry din na may same scenario, of course, it can be a case-to-case basis, but I guess basta everything is readable and walang damage yung visa, it's okay. Actually, mas nagka-problema pa kami sa Japan Web kasi ito na naman, tuwing siya yun talagang may ginagawa. Nagkaka-problema kami, hindi ko alam kung bakit.
Edited it.
Kasi nga, may bago ng passport yung mga boys. So, sa Japan Web, for some reason, hindi lumabas yung edited passport nila. So, kami ni Mateo, since magkasabay kami, dun right there and then, pinagawan ako ng Japan Web nung immigration officer namin. Si Vito naman, kasama niya si George, ang pinagawa sa kanila, pinag-manual siya. So, buti na lang walang masyadong tao sa immigration at mababait naman yung immigration officer. Yung immigration officer namin ni Mateo, nag-antay lang talaga siya hanggang sa matapos ko yung bagong Japan Web ni Mateo. So, ayan, yun lang yung naging problem namin. But after that naman, okay na. Medyo matagal lang din yung paglabas ng luggage. But paglabas naman namin ng airport, mabilis na lang din yung drop-off to our connecting flight. So that's it. We will just wait for our next flight. going to ride the bus. Going to the plane. Ha? Malamig na dito sa labas. Welcome to Sapporo. Maligayang pagdating. Hello, and we have landed here in Sapporo already. So, after 4 attempts of trying to go here in Sapporo, finally we are all here. Ayan yung mga boys. We are just waiting for our luggage right now. And then, after this, kukunin namin yung Wi-Fi na kinuha ko kay Klook. Kay Ninja Wi-Fi ulit. According to the instructions, paglabas ng gate 4, nandun siya sa right side. So, let's see. Unti-unti na rin lumalabas yung mga bagahe namin. Ayan na. Okay. There you go. And we are officially out of the airport. We are already here at the arrivals area. Papunta naman kami dun sa Wi-Fi rental kay Ninja Wi-Fi ulit na kinuha namin from Klook ulit. So, ang sabi niya dun sa instructions, it's near gate 4, arrivals area. So, I think it's here. Lumabas kami ng gate 3, so we had to turn left. Because I think this is gate 4. Eh, nasan siya? Okay, mali kami. Nandito pala kami sa side na to. This is arrivals gate 4, kaya pala wala siya doon. So we have to go out and go to the other building, south side. It should be there. We are out, malamig. It's 8 degrees daw tonight. Yung Ninja Wi-Fi daw is beside gate 4. So we have to go here on this building, the other side. Nandito si gate 4 and 5. Hopefully nandito siya. We'll check. There, arrivals gate 4. And it should be here. Nashock kami kasi sarado na sila. So, may tinatanong kasi si ate girl, Japanese, parang sarado na. So, buti na lang tinanong ko siya, Ninja Wi-Fi. Andito pa, dapat kukuha na kami dapat ng iba. Naghanap na kami ng other option kasi sarado na. Ayan. Ito yon yung hinahanap namin, they're closed because it says close at 8 o'clock. It's already 8:15 p.m. So, buti tinanong ko si kuya, nandun, nag-aantay yung aming wifi sa kanya. So, ito na yung wifi na nakuha namin from Klook. Ayan, tinatry na ni Daddy kung mag-work siya. Just to share with you, nakuha namin siya for 1,456.80 pesos for 5 days, 10 gig limit per day, good for 5 devices. So kay Ninja Wi-Fi kami ulit kumuha for pick up here at New Chitose Airport and then drop off again here at the same area sa Saturday pagbalik namin ng Manila. So iba pala yung concern niya, akala ko pareho kami ng hinahanap.
Hindi po parehas.
Ha? Hindi baka storage siya? Yung luggage, yung baggage storage.
Naiwan yung, hindi na niya makuha yung luggage.
I don't know. Anyway, buti nila nagtanong kami. So, nandito pa pala siya. So, just in case it happens to you, probably you can ask him or the person inside the storage. Nandun naman, iniiwan naman nila yung Wi-Fi. So, again, dito siya. This is arrivals gate 4. Ito yung Ninja Wi-Fi. Ayan. Kaya hindi namin siya makita kanina kasi sarado na nga siya. But it's this one. And the return is here. Dropbox. Ayan si Kuya, buti na lang inabutan natin siya. Pauwi na rin siya. Pauwi na rin siya. Buti umabot pa kami. My goodness. Itatry namin mag-bus going to Sapporo para isang ride lang with our luggage kasi. So, paglabas namin ng gate 4, nakita kasi namin nandito nga yung mga bus kanina. So, nagtanong-tanong kami dito sa mga nakapila. Ito daw yun. Dito daw yung pila namin. And then we can pay na in the bus. According to Google Maps, it's 1,300 yen per person.
So let's ready that amount.
Yeah, meron naman kaming konting cash pa na dala. So hopefully, magkasya yung pera namin. Yeah. We'll see. 8 minutes pa daw yung next bus. Napuno na rin yung kanina, hindi na rin sila nakasakay. Naninigas na yung kamay ko, guys. Wala pa akong thermal. It's 8 degrees. Ang lamig. Ang lamig na kamay ko. Hindi ko na siya nararamdaman. Dinirect kami dito ni Kuya. So, dito din pala bibili ng ticket. 1,300. Yung ticket namin going to the city. There you go. Again, nasa south side kami ha. So, ayan yung bilihan ng ticket. And then, the bus stop is just here. Ayan sila. So, antayin lang namin yung bus. Chine-check na nila kung tama yung pupuntahan namin.
28.
Here's our ticket. Ayan, 1,300 yen. So, na-verify naman niya kay Kuya. Tama?
Yes.
Okay. I think this is our bus. Airport liner. Ayan. So, tama. Here. Sasakay lang kami. We'll go up the bus. Yeah, hold on to it first. Ay. Parang na-gets na namin yung system ng bus. Meron ding isa pang bus stop dun sa north side. Kaya meron din siyang ticket counter dun. So technically, mas magandang sumakay dun kay ANA side. Kasi mas nauuna yung bus stop. So ngayon dito pagdating sa south side, napupuno na siya. Parang ganun. Kasi yung lumalabas sa Google Maps. So this is a 1 hour 26 minute drive to the city. Pero yung babaan kasi niya from our hotel, 4-minute walk na lang. By the way, we are booked at Alphabet Inn. Airbnb namin siya binook actually. So let's see. Hello, nandito pa rin kami sa bus. Kami na lang yung nandito. Third to the last stop pala yung stop namin. So kami na lang. Pero actually meron pang 5 stops before us dapat, no?
Koen.
Koen. Odori Koen.
Odori Koen.
Kasi kami na lang yung nandito sa loob. Ang dami pang stop. It's 10 p.m., 10:11. So, medyo matagal nga yung biyahe. Pero okay lang kasi nakaupo ka lang naman. Ito na, nakababa na kami. The nearest stop is Sapporo View Hotel Odori Koen. Yun yung stop namin ng bus. So, ayun yung mga luggage namin. And then, it's a 4-minute walk from here. Odori Park is right here. There, Odori Park is across the street. Okay, lalakad muna kami going to the hotel. We have to go to Alphabet Inn. Look, may snow pa kay Odori Park. Pero yung ano na, matigas at maduming snow na. There, can you see? Ayan. Oh my God, ang lamig! It's so cold! Woo! There, we found it! This is our hotel, Alphabet Inn. So, self-check-in din siya. We will check in first. Ayan, Daddy's checking in already. So, we're still checking in. So far, nandun naman na yung information namin. Binigay na pala ni Daddy. There's the video call. We need to do a video call to confirm that it's us.
Hello, good evening. Welcome to Grace Station. May I have your name?
George,
How many people?
4.
Thank you so much. Wait a moment. I will check the information here.
Let's check quickly the lobby. Here. This is the laundry area of the hotel. I don't know if it's free. Detergent and fabric softener are dispensed automatically. There's the instructions. So I think it's free. Nice. There are games that you can borrow, Teo. There's a common area here. And a vending machine. May vending machine pala dito sa baba. Ayan. Yeah. There. Naakyat muna kami sa room. There. This is our room. Ito yung bunk bed. There's a double bed. We have a dining table. Ref, microwave, mini kitchen. Here's the bathroom. Ito yung mga amenities. Ang dami naman. May hairbrush, sponge, razors, and ang daming toothbrush. I think it's good for 6 kasi. The towels are there. It's just a cabinet. And this is the shower. Typical of Japanese. And this is the toilet. There. With the bidet here on the side. There. Okay. And then we have technically 4 bunk beds kasi this is really good for 6. So, pick your own bed, boys. May pajama din pala. Oh, we have pajamas. Nice.
I'm taking top one. No, yeah, bottom.
Cool.
Yeah, but they're not enclosed, so like I put this on top. You get
Nice. Beside the bed, may mga sockets each side. And nakakaaliw lang kahit dito sa bunk bed. Meron silang, ayan o, may sari-sarili ding socket. Lahat, kahit yung nandito sa taas. There. They have their own sockets. Cool. Galing. Meron ding slippers na provided. Parang okay naman tong Airbnb namin so far, no? It's nice. It's nice. Hopefully, we will have a comfortable stay. Okay, it's 10:30. Quick stop na lang kami sa 7-Eleven kasi pagod na kami, although we're hungry. Pero mag 7-Eleven stop na lang kami. We're out again. Ayan yung pinakamalapit na 7-Eleven sa amin. It's just 1 block away. Ayan yung hotel. So 7-Eleven is here. Katabi siya ni Coco Hotel. Hey, we're back here in 7-Eleven. Sige, let's get egg sandwich. My favorite. Yeah. And I want heavy something. Oh, yung gyudon na lang, Daddy.
You want the gyudon?
Ayan yung mga meals nila. Ayan na ang aming 7-Eleven haul. Kasi gutom na gutom kami, so ang daming kinuha. Takaw mata kami lahat. Since nasa 7-Eleven na rin kami, mag-withdraw na rin kami ng aming yen. Kasi 30,000 yen lang yung nadala namin. So, tomorrow, we have a day trip to Niseko. So, magdadala na kami ng cash to be sure. Hello. We're back in the hotel. So, we decided na dito kami kakain sa lounge area para hindi na kami magkalat sa taas. Dinner muna kami. We're all hungry. I got gyudon from 7-Eleven. Teo got pork curry. O, Teo, this is yours also, right? And my egg sandwich. Yay! Let's eat. Oh my God. I am so hungry. Anyway, we'll end our day 1 here in Sapporo na din because after eating, we will just go back to the room and rest na because we have an early day tomorrow. So again, tomorrow we rented a private van with Japan Transfers. We plan to go to Niseko para makatikim naman ng snow yung mga boys. So that's it. It's our first day here in Sapporo. Yay! See ya! Good night!